Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. Now if you're new, remember to like, share and subscribe. Now, Holness and the JLP administration is again under pressure. And their position has sided with motorists and the Jamaican citizens, stating that motorists might need more time. And seeing the video footage of what took place at the traffic court today, the judicial system seemed to be overwhelmed with motorists seeking to clear up tickets before February the 1st. I'm going to see what I want, and they will continue reasoning. Look and listen.
Yeah, man, I see that line, yeah. That line lead go back all the way to South Camp Road, you know, yeah, man. All the way to South Camp Road, that line, yeah, go. Be a madness, I go on a traffic court, my brother. Be a madness.
Now on to the other stories making headlines today. Now Jamaican track and field icon Usian pumped US 6.5 million into investment firm SSL in 2012. But almost as soon as the money was deposited in the account, it was taken out. Then another US 900,000 was added to both account by 2017. But a US 5.8 million was taken out. This is all taking place without Bolt's knowledge. In addition, another 90,000, which was lodged in the account between 2019 and 2022, was also quickly taken out. Basically, they are saying that Bolt's millions were never invested. And it was only between July 2021 and May 2022 in which millions of dollars was taken from Bolt's account to purchase blue chip stocks, which seemed to be an attempt to cover up what did that take place with Bolt and him SSL investments. Now it's been rumored that the company has started to pay out back individuals. We don't know what it be. I'm going to hear what go on and they will continue reasoning. Look and listen.
This is a planting, people. You said Bolt no too. You understand, people? So them pick for use Usian Bolt, and I told it was going to happen because them have to use somebody who famous. Now you see 7 point something million come out of my account, people. Them do it for the, I believe so the emperor was going to be, what you call it now? One of them, either they were going to look out and, yo, what? No, people, I just said, but I got 7 days to return my money. People tell them get a call, say, Emperor, your money has been returned. Less than 7 days, people. So tomorrow I really announce it, people. But you don't know when I'm a fan, so I have to make you know first. Then tomorrow I officially announce it. You understand, people? So that is where it is, people. No, is that the boss for SSL rob Usain Bolt? Not even rob Usain Bolt, rob out some of the investors their money. Is that the vice president for SSL rob out some of the money, or is not the co-founder or none of the founder them rob the money? Is one little girl named Gina Pantan, people, and mostly 2 more friend them plan up in the people them company for rob out some money. And me not so they try to say Gina Pantan this a SSL in the people. Alright, people, so I don't know where I go on now, so alright, so may watch some video, people, and Usain Bolt no ball people. No, Usain Bolt not ball. You understand? The younger people are ball are the people up on the sideline, you know. Cause it's like may I watch a couple of videos where the Usain Bolt and the Gleaner Company and watch a press conference with Usain Bolt. Now what are the interviewer gonna ask Usain Bolt say? People say I'm broke now. Usain Bolt laugh find to scan. People remember to say Usain Bolt value at the time over 900 million US. 900 million US.
Well, they say him get back Fibon. Him also say him suspect that the state had their eyes on the investment firm for quite some time. And what will take place with the irregularities that take place at the firm, which were reported to the FSC or by the FSC. Some even stating that the finance minister knew about what was taking place, something which he denied publicly, saying that the report was not presented to him till a particular date, which was after all the way that take place already. Some people are calling it a convenient excuse. Some people are saying the very truth. Some people are saying why we are pay attention to the people around SSL and not the individuals at the company who perpetrated the act. All true statements. All very true statements. But with only one individual being named as the culprit in a multi-billion-dollar fraud scandal sounds strange. It sounds like some more T's need to be crossed and some I's need to be dotted. There's something them not tell the public. Remember, it was somebody within SSL that made the FSC aware that the company was trying to sell somebody or shuffle around some of the assets. So if somebody on the inside, I make them know about what take place now. Or somebody never make them know, so they might take the client their money. And if they need to write the report, how come the report never reached to the Minister of Finance? And based on all the way that take place, it has been stated that this SSL fraud case is the biggest fraud case to ever take place on the Jamaican island. And this happened at an investment firm. I want to make an say about what L.A. Lewis say. Because somebody famous is involved in what take place with SSL, it has definitely made the situation more of a headline in the tabloids. Usain Bolt is probably one of the most famous clients at SSL. And then the fact now for this, that they must every time him put in money, moments after that the money was taken out, SSL must have been aware of that take place. Tell me if you also agree with L.A. Lewis, Jean is simply being set up. She's being set up by those at the very top of Wagwan. Did she participate? Well, based on her statements, yes, she did participate in what was taking place. And for that, you know it go. Talk to me in the comment section. Let me know how you feel. Quick recap. Traffic court is overwhelmed by motorists seeking to clear up traffic tickets before the February 1st policies are put into place. Usain Bolt's millions seem to have never been invested initially. Initially, the money was never invested, just taken out. And between 2021 and 2022 is when there was an attempt to buy blue chip stocks rather. It seemed to be like a cover up. It seemed like them know say both they go check, and this is when them a try to buy some stocks to make it look like some investment really take place. Talk to me in the comment section. If you're new, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, of course put it on all, and this is how you will know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded. Until the reason again, live, love and prosper and stay tuned.